Voice of my people, where culture speaks, truth echoes, and hope rises.
Igbo Queen, my name is Emmanuel Anya, and this is the voice of my people, and we have an educative episode where we'll be talking about a book that has been published by an author, something I think every young child should have. And I would allow our special guest to introduce herself, then we'll go right into the book. Because you're welcome.
Thank you. God bless you. My name is Honorable Ambassador Lady Charity Obiorah. I'm an educator and an author too. So I've written about 2 books, the first and second edition on English orals.
Okay, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. You've been into this for how long, man?
The first one was written in the year 2018. Then the second one was just written this year.
What inspired you into writing? There's something you're actually trying to address, because both of them are books that have to do with English.
Yes. The reason why I wrote this book is most of our students don't know how to pronounce some words. Even to form words is a problem to them. Some don't even know their sounds, because from the scratch, you know how to get the sounds articulated. If you don't articulate sounds, you can't produce it. You can't pronounce it. You can't even use it to form words. So based on this, I was forced. It's a kind of, should I call it pressure? I was pressurized to write this book. The first edition was written in 2018. So based on the performance of the children in my school, I was encouraged to write the second edition, and more activities were attached to it to enable the children to do better, especially those of them that are writing WAEC, all these external examinations, WAEC, BESE, NECO, and the rest of them, even JAM. If they study this book perfectly well, there's no way they will not excel in the production of sounds.
That's beautiful. That's very good. That's very good. Now, Igbo onye Igbo in a day, ihe batara in English. Is it you didn't write on Igbo, but I know that this is very, very key because it will help everyone. Except, I just want to know, akwụkwọ idere now, is there a particular age that needs this book?
The first one I wrote there for higher schools, I assumed that I should moderate it, at least for everybody to benefit, starting from year 7, that is just 1 to year 12. Then higher institutions, they can equally use it. So it's meant for all ages.
All ages.
Yes.
So, Kokora, and you hear better on this book. Can you just tell us more about the book?
How many alphabets can we in English? Has second or 26. Meanwhile, we have only 2.
Wow.
We have only 2 alphabets in English language. The first one is alphabet of sounds, and the second is alphabet of letters. So alphabet of sounds, we use it for pronunciation of words, while alphabet of letters, they are for formation of words. Alphabet of letters are 26. That is the 26 we are calling alphabet of letter alphabet. That is the English alphabet. So there are 26 in number, while alphabet of sounds are 44.
Wow.
So alphabet of letters, which we use for formation of words, we have 5 vowel sounds and the 21 consonant sounds. Then for the alphabet of sounds, we have 44 of them, 24 consonants and the 20 vowel sounds, which we also use for pronounce words. Therefore, pronunciation of words.
That's very rich. That's very rich. And so now, Achoka Iku Batan, how our parents should, how could they go to this book? So how much is it sold for, so that our audience can also know the cost?
The market cost of this book. The production cost is very expensive. It's on the high side. So most of parents I approached, especially the schools, I gave them at 3,200. But some collected at 3,500 based on the population or the quantity they requested for. Some schools requested for 150 copies. I reduced the market price for them as 3,200. Then people that ordered for few, I gave them at 3,500 based on the number of books they ordered for.
That's great. So we'll showcase the book on our platform, and I know a lot of persons would want to get this book from what you explained. Can you say more about this book so that our audience will get very interested about it?
There are some words we don't know how to pronounce properly. Just like some places will call it leko. It's not leko, it's leko. It's had k sound, leko. Then just like edition, it's not edition, it's edition. There are so many words the children need to look into and see how they are being pronounced, because we have different spelling symbols for so many words listed here. If you check the consonant sounds, we have voiced and voiceless. You know where they are being classified. Then if you check the vowel sounds, you know where they are being classified. We have monophthongs, diphthongs, and the rest of them. So when the children look into the book, they will know where each word is being classified and how to pronounce them. We have so many words. We have many of them.
Okay, that's good. That's good. And now let me ask, if somebody, because from what you just said, I'm almost saying that, is it possible for somebody to call you to help train or teach a child on this with this book? Whether it's an online or program or however it is.
Okay, I've been going for trainings. At least I've done some in Navy school when I was in Navy. I did some in Pathfinder and some in Borokiri, where I taught for years before I left, because we are not being absorbed. So out of, should I call it anger, I left.
Okay.
And get back to private school. Though we are still believing that very soon they will call us back.
So, but do you do like private classes? Maybe something you can think of. Maybe if you don't do it now, I think it's something you should think of.
No, I've done it before. I've not done it before.
Private classes
private
online.
Class, no. Okay, online. Yes, I've not. I've not done it before. But I do teach in some schools. They've come in for seminar. Some private schools, they come in for seminar. I do go and teach the teachers, impacting them, for them to help to impact into the children.
I think something will probably come up with, maybe in Igbo community will think about something like that, where you could engage children online in maybe a WhatsApp group, and this have conversation with them and pronunciations, so that this book will really be useful, because without somebody who can really pronounce it, reading it is not enough. You must be able to have to understand
some knowledge of it. Yes. It's all right. If you can make arrangements for that,
we'll do that by the grace of God.
I will really do it.
We'll do that by the grace of God. So, our viewers, you've heard from our author, you've heard about this very book, English Orals, and I believe that everyone should get it. It's something that I believe is good for our children to get it, because it will help them. It will help their English communication. So, thank you so much for viewing. And can you just give us a parting word so parents and our audience will be able to know how important this book is?
Did I arrange for the launching of this book? Most of the computer people my husband invited did not make it, because it was ordinary day. It was not a weekend. So the people that he gave out the books, when I requested for the books back, since they refused to come for the launching, they refused to release the book, because they know the importance of the book. They refuse to release the book. So I'm encouraging the parents, let them pick the book. It's very, very important that the children should know what it contains. All the contents of the book are very important to our children, from the beginning to the finish. Even the last page of it, that is the last chapter. You have some statements that our children make that is not correct or not acceptable. Just like when somebody say, I'm rounding up. Rounding up is not correct English. For you to say that you're rounding off. And rounding off means to bring to a close or to an end. To round up means to arrest. To arrest some group of persons, maybe by police people. So there are some corrections I made here. It will help our children to improve on their pronunciation of words, use of correct English, and the rest of them. So I encourage parents to pick it. It's very good.
Do you have places where this book can be seen, as in if somebody wants to get it? Is there at the shops? Are they in shops? Are they at any location that people can? I've
made efforts to reach out to the state government, at least for them to assign it to schools, for them to buy it. But up to now, I've not seen the right person to meet.
No, but outside that, do you have bookshops that people can go buy from?
They can get it from Silius International School.
Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to get those addresses and put it on our platform, and also contact numbers, so that anybody who wants to get the book can either call or go to those locations to get the books. So thank you so much, Ma, and God bless you for this book. I believe it will go a whole long way to be a blessing to people. Yes. God bless you. Thank you so much. And my audience, thank you for listening to this, and I believe it will add value to our children. Let's get this book. I've gotten my copy for my child, and I know I'll get more for other people. God bless you, man.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you Igbo? Do you have a real story? One that can inspire generations? Do you want the world to know what you will do or what you are? Then the Voice of My People Global is your platform. We are the heartbeat of Igbo identity, where culture speaks, truth echoes, and hope rises. From entrepreneurs to artists, from culture lovers to change makers, we tell authentic Igbo stories loud and proud across Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Don't just watch, be heard. Your voices matters. Your journey can inspire. Your roots are your power. Call us now or today on 0810-460-4455 or reach us on WhatsApp to begin your journey with us. The Voice of My People Global, celebrating Igbo excellence, sharing Igbo stories, uniting Igbo voices. Join the movement, be the voice.
Culture is speaking. Truth is echoing. Hope is rising.